What is up, everyone? JFlores here, and for today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to make or how to cook some pork adobo with egg in Sprite. So before we start, if cooking is your thing, if you want to learn how to cook, please hit that subscribe button right now. So this recipe is really simple. I'm gonna make it as fast as I can. We'll just need a couple of ingredients, not too much. Also, from where I'm from, we do not call it adobo, we call it humba, because our adobo is dito sa Cebu is yung deep fried na pork or deep fried na chicken. Tapos yung the rest of the Philippines, that's the real adobo. That's what I'm gonna teach you now. So watch till the end, alright? Game? Game. First, let's marinate our pork with soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, salt and pepper, and give it a nice mix. Marinate for at least 4 hours. Next, let's start by heating up some oil in our pan and saute our pork. Next, add in the garlic and continue to saute. By the way, use some pork belly that contains more fat for better flavor. I'm using a leaner cut para iwas sa high blood pressure. Next, add in the remaining vinegar, soy sauce, peppercorn, and sugar. Add in the water, then drop in the bay leaf, then cover. Bring to a boil, add the eggs, mix very well, then cover. After 6 to 7 minutes, remove the egg and continue cooking the adobo covered. Now that the pork are getting softer, add the eggs back in, remove the bay leaf, and let this reduce, then add in your Sprite. Now for the last time, let this cook until the sauce is almost gone. This looks nice. Let's plate this up. Overhead shot in 3, 2, 1. Just grab your favorite bowl, spoon in the meat first, followed by the eggs and the sauce. Top it off with green onions, and voila! Pork adobo with egg and Sprite, done. That is it for today's episode, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try it at home. And if you like this one and if you want more, please hit that subscribe button and smash that like button as well. Never forget to follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. So yeah, that is it. God bless. Peace.